success in capital raising or life or business in general is really 80% psychology and 20% strategy.
It's been crazy. So it's been about 2 years since we first launched our business, Good Egg Investments. And in that time, we've raised tens of millions of dollars from hundreds of investors around the country. And our total portfolio value now is over $800 million.
So it's going to be a lot of fun kind of listening to your perspective and sharing what I've learned on the show. And I'll even talk a little bit about some of the practices and infrastructures that we're creating.
You know, a lot of people are very skeptical of capital raisers or syndications or people who can teach them how to make money, especially if they find them online, right?
For sure.
And rightfully so, because there are unfortunately a lot of scammers out there. So we set out to really just come from a place of service. Capital raising is the piece of the whole pie that takes the longest because you have to establish that trust.
We'll be able to talk on a lot of those mindset, success principle type philosophies on here.
As leaders, as thought leaders, I think we have a real opportunity here. And especially, Ruben, with all the stuff that you were talking about with mindset, I mean, people could really use stuff like that right now.
I wanted to ask you if you saw the whole thing that Grant Cardone did, where he pretended to file for bankruptcy and said, if you want to capture people's attention in this market, you have to do something so crazy and so negative that is more negative than what's going on in this environment. What were your thoughts on that?
I know that it was a shocker. You know, that's not the right way to approach it. You have to be empathetic. You have to know what people are going through.
When you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change.